Unitree has advanced the field of humanoid robotics with the release of UnifolM Omin 0.3, a unified artificial intelligence model created to manage various home care and wellness duties. Unlike traditional robots that use separate systems for vision and movement, this model integrates these functions into a single brain, allowing the robot to communicate naturally and navigate its surroundings with minimal human help. One demonstration features the robot cleaning a bedroom after receiving a simple voice command. Rather than following a set path, the robot scans the room to identify misplaced clothing and bedding, determining the best sequence to tidy the space. It successfully picks up laundry and straightens a bed, proving it can effectively manipulate soft objects that change shape. The robot's capabilities also extend to healthcare settings, where it can retrieve specific medical supplies from storage cabinets. This involves more than simple recognition. The robot must open drawers, search through various boxes, and select the correct item while ignoring nearby distractions. This task highlights the robot's visual reasoning, precise motor skills, and ability to process spoken requests in real time. In a kitchen environment, the robot demonstrates its ability to load a dishwasher. It can pull out the lower rack, carefully place dishes in the right spots, and close the machine while maintaining its balance and coordinating both arms. The demonstration concludes with the robot working alongside a patient's bed in a hospital. It moves smoothly and safely around people and medical equipment, showing that the same AI model is reliable enough for high-stakes environments. The primary breakthrough of the UnifolM Omin 0.3 is its ability to transition between these vastly different tasks, from cleaning a bedroom to assisting in a kitchen or hospital, without requiring software changes. By combining vision, speech, and movement into one intelligent system, this unified AI could provide a foundation for future robots that assist the elderly and medical professionals in making healthcare more efficient.